time my children, they can't speak Igbo, and Omo, I won't allow them to continue in that way. I started teaching them. Okay, so children, pay attention. What are we learning today?
Igbo.
What word are we learning? Let's learn.
To say afternoon in Igbo.
Okay, we did
Morning.
good morning yesterday, so today we are doing good afternoon. Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma.
Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma.
Little sweetie, say good afternoon in Igbo language.
Ehihie ọma. Mommy, ehihie ọma.
Straight to the point. Little darling.
Madam, ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma. Oh yeah, little dear, say your own.
Yeah.
Little dear, say your own. This
You don't know
3-year-old boy does not want to say. Oh yeah, say your own.
That's food in his mouth.
Okay, he has food in. He has food in his mouth. Okay, so ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma, little dear. Ehihie ọma, little sweetie. Ehihie ọma, little darling.
Ehihie ọma, mommy.
Okay, so when you want to say good morning, what do you say?
Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Okay, so we've learned good afternoon today, which is ehihie ọma. Can your child say good afternoon in Igbo language? My children, they have learned ehihie ọma, but tomorrow I will know if they remember it or not. All right, children, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Repeat after me once more. Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma.
Good. Don't tell me good afternoon again. Once you see me, you greet me. Ehihie ọma. Oh yeah, go and do your assignment. Go and greet your father. Ehihie ọma. All of you.
Daddy, ehihie ọma.
Shout it again.
Daddy, ehihie ọma.
So whenever you see your daddy or myself, you greet us ehihie ọma in the afternoon. Bye. Type ehihie ọma in the comment section and start teaching your child one word at a time.